Painting Sky and Water, Gradated Wash Glazings. Video lesson by Vladimir London.
In this video, you'll discover how to paint sky and water by applying transparent glazing layers of gradated washes.
Here is the artwork that I will achieve by the end of this video lesson. This artwork takes its inspiration from a beautiful view of the city of Venice. The sky is almost clear, with a few almost transparent clouds. It is a bright and sunny day, with sunshine flooding the Grand Canal and the architecture. I make a fast sketch with watercolors, using the outline and wash painting technique, not only to capture the feeling of the place, but to have a reference image when I am back in the studio, so that I can make a larger and more detailed watercolor painting. This view is magnificent, and it will be very interesting to paint it in multiple glazing layers. In this sketch, I am not interested in every single detail and precise colors. It is just an impression of the place that will remind me of its beauty and composition. I am now back at the studio, where I have already made a drawing on the watercolor paper, and it is time to decide on the colors. I have already tested how different pigments mix and look together with each other, and now I can pre-mix those pigments for the wash. The first paint I mix is yellow ochre from a St. Petersburg manufacturer. And another paint that comes from Old Holland. It has a very long name and consists of 3 pigments. I have to say that you don't have to buy it, unless you have a very good reason to do so. It can be easily replaced by other transparent rose paints. I turn the board upside down and place it at a roughly 15-degree angle, so that the bottom end of this artwork is raised slightly higher than the top end. This tilt is essential for the wash. I did not mask the cityscape outline, and to preserve the white paper, I simply paint around the buildings. Because liquid paint flows down on the tilted board, there is no risk of paint running over the buildings on the background. I hope that you see the advantage of painting sky and water in multiple gradated washes of glazing layers. Here is the finished artwork. You can see how smooth the gradated washes are, and how the nice colors of the sky and water can be obtained by using multiple glazing layers.